Yes, students. The next topic is speciation. Next topic is speciation. Again, important topic. Speciation, the simple definition is formation of new species is known as speciation. Formation of new species. Formation of new species is known as speciation. Now, first of all, we'll try to understand what is a species. What is a species? Then we'll come to new species. What is a species? Okay. I'll try to give one simple example and you will come to know what the species. Now, we'll take example of two snake. Rat snake, okay, rat snake, or generally we call water snake, which is non-poisonous. Okay, I'll call it a rat snake because it catches rat. Okay, rat snake and cobra. Cobra is poisonous. Okay, rat snake and cobra, both of them are snake. Okay, but they cannot mate together. Male of one with the female of other cannot mate together, and they cannot produce their young one. They cannot interbreed. We use the word interbreed. They cannot interbreed. Why they cannot interbreed? Because they are different species. Rat snake and rat snake can mate together to produce their young one. Cobra and cobra can mate together to produce their young one. Because cobra, it is one species. Rat snake is another species. So the best definition of species are the organism which can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. They can give birth to next generation if they mate. If the male and female mate together, they can produce the next generation, the offspring, their young ones. Then only we call them as species. Now this is speciation. Speciation means formation of new species. And it's not so easy. The formation of new species will not take place in 1 or 2 days. Okay, it takes place, it requires thousands of years, maybe lakhs of years during course of time. Okay, and that is under the process of evolution. Okay, what I'll do, in your textbook they have given example of beetles. Instead of that, I'll take example of rabbit just for reference. It may not be true, but for reference, and I will tell you, or I'll make you to understand what exactly speciation is. Okay, see. See now, okay. Imagine it's a very big forest, very huge forest. Okay, and in the forest here, there is population of rabbits. Okay, here there is population of rabbit. Here one more population of rabbits. One more population, group of rabbits here and group of rabbits. Say the distance between those two population is far. Okay, it is much. So both are of same species now. Both of them are of same species. Okay. Now these rabbits, they interbreed among themselves and produce the young one. These rabbits, they interbreed among themselves and produce young one. Say, okay, by mistake or maybe by chance, one of the rabbit from here, okay, one of the rabbit from here traveled a long distance. Okay, maybe in search of food it came. Okay, traveled a long distance and entered into this population. And here it got mated with its partner, say. Okay, now here also it can produce its young one because both of them belong to same species. Next, you listen. During the course of evolution, say, okay, a formation of river took place in between them. Okay, formation of river took place between these two groups. Okay, say not one day, in 1 or 2 days a new river formation will not take place. Okay, during the course of time a river formation took place. Okay, and due to river these two population got separated. Now what happened? The members of this cannot come to this side and the members of this cannot go to that side. Now the only option left with them, they have to interbreed within this group and these members should interbreed within this group. It continued. It continued for many years and they did not get any chance to come and mate with each other. As a result, the day passed, year passed, and the change might have taken place in their chromosome number, in the gene itself. Okay, the chromosome number, this got changed, the chromosome number of this group of rabbits got changed and the chromosome number of this group of rabbits got changed. The genetic structure changed. Okay, the DNA changed. Due to this, okay, this developed into different species and this developed into different species. Now, even though, okay, if this rabbit comes to this side or this rabbit goes to that side, they cannot meet together, they cannot mate together to produce their young one because they already converted into two different species. Once upon a time they were of same species, but now due to this reason I told, okay, they converted into two different species and this concept is called as speciation. So for the formation of new species, there must be some changes in their genetic structure, especially in the chromosome and in the genes.